Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Blacklist by Exodus. We'll start by breaking down the iconic main riff. Focus on the open E string and the power chords that follow. Use strict alternate picking to achieve the necessary speed and precision. Remember to practice slowly at first, gradually increasing your tempo. This builds muscle memory and ensures accuracy. Next, let's tackle the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse riff relies heavily on a palm-muted low E string, giving it that heavy, chugging feel. Pay close attention to the rhythm here. Then, smoothly transition into the pre-chorus, which features a powerful, driving power chord progression. Keep your picking hand consistent to maintain a solid, unwavering tempo. Now we move to the powerful chorus and the intricate bridge. The chorus uses open chords, so let them ring out with full force to create a massive sound. The bridge introduces a slightly more complex rhythmic pattern, requiring careful attention to timing. Focus on the dynamic shifts between these sections to really make the song come alive and hit hard. Finally, let's explore the solo and the outro. The solo demands fast alternate picking and incorporates dramatic tremolo bar dives. Work on your bending and vibrato to add expressive melodicism to your playing. The outro brings the song to a powerful close, so finish strong. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.